Hi everyone, welcome back to M&M. In this video, I will be making a miniature yukata, which is a Japanese robe that's typically worn during the summer months. This by no means is the proper way to make it. It's just my fun take on it, so let's get into it. So I am using this cute pink polka dot fabric. There are a few different pieces that I need to put together for the yukata, so I'm just starting with the back piece. I'm drawing an outline of how big I would want the yukata to be, and then I'm just cutting that out and then using that to measure out the length from my front. Now the front is going to be made up of two overlapping pieces, as you can see here. And once I have those, I'm just cutting out my neckline from both pieces. And then the last piece that I would need is the sleeve. So I'm going to be cutting out two pieces of rectangular fabrics, as you can see here. And then before I sew everything together, I am actually going to attach the front part to the back part and sew the shoulder lines. And then once I have that, I'm going to take my sleeve and sew that onto my main piece. All right, that's what it looks like once I've attached both sleeves. Now I'm going to turn everything inside out and attempt to show you how I sewed everything. So starting with the sleeve, going down, sideways, up again, sideways again, and then all the way down. Now the reason I did this is because the sleeves are not completely attached to the main body of the yukata. It's kind of hard to explain right now, but once I've sewed it all together, you will see what I mean. Now, as I was sewing, I left a rectangular piece in the armpit area, and that's exactly where I'm making a little cut. And once I make it on both sides, I'm going to turn everything inside out. You can see that the sleeves are kind of halfway attached and the other half is sort of a little pocket underneath your arms. I have a real life-size yukata and you can actually put stuff in it. So we're pretty much done. I just want to clean up the yukata here and there. I'm just gluing little flaps to make sure that nothing frays off. Last thing that we're gonna do is glue on the neckline. I just took a piece of the same fabric, I folded it, glued it all the way around the neckline. It comes down a little bit into the chest area as well. And I'm just cutting out the extra piece here and gluing the end again just to make it look cleaner. And we are done. So modeling our yukata is our paper model JJ. I imagine that she is going to a summer festival in Japan. I think it turned out pretty good. I probably would have gone with a softer material for the yukata, but I really like the polka dot design on this fabric. That's why I went with it. I also made this tiny little purse to go with her outfit. It's not a real purse, I just kind of stitched it together to wrap up the look. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!